Donkey. Yeah. Oh no, it's me again? Oh no.
Kaya mo ng bida, kaya ngapat muna.
Ayun yung ano yung this beat, man.
Hira na naman.
Ito yung twisted, yung twisted.
Ano na lang, pare, sa twisted.
Ayun beat ni Talong. Ayun ang beat. Yan yun, pre. Yun yung ginamit natin sa ano, yung English. Yan yun. Yung English na, unahan ni Leo. Bigyan mo si Leo. The spark, man, you know. I gotta learn a lot of money. Speaking, sir. Ulit, cut. Yeah. Check. Yo. Yeah.
Pando sa butahe.
Ay na, una.
Hindi, kaya sila ko nabibig.
Pando sa butahe ka talaga na talaga na talaga ka ng fighter. Interminable ability, no, but as a bit of an intelligent fighter. Ay talaga naman naman step master. Intelligibility, head in the level of universe, crossing one of the letters means for the letter T, S-G-O-C. Because second little bit of the battle of one of a big stupidity. Terminable, you cannot stop the syllable flowing in the mouth. Follow the many syllable like a pagana babulat.
Mouth.
Rapid change, get the bottom of the words, intelligible, understand, but so many together together with you. It's not that you're getting an understand. Fuck you. Stupid, you're not gonna beat me until now. Now, many syllable on my tongue, pen, until now.
Down. No. So, mamaya ako mag-MTV dahil lalapit ako sa kotse. Yeah.
Habang bumibit ako, paatras ka ng paatras, hindi na papunto eh.
Mamaya, hindi pa kami nagkakakuha ng talaga yung ano eh.
Iba-iba ng